Yan na yung hindi naka-open ng sounds. Hello?
Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Hi! Sabihin natin mga Koreans. Hindi na natin sabihin pangalan natin. Sabi na, ay mga Koreans. Okay. Welcome to Diva's Realm. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hi mga Koreans and welcome to Diva's Realm. Cards,
Toys.
Gospel, and
Travel.
and travel. Ulit. Take two. Mga Koreans. 1, 2, 3. Hi mga Koreans. Hi.
Hi.
Mga
Mga
Karems.
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 Ay, sinabi ko Macarena.
Oh, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hi mga
mga
Karems.
Karems.
And welcome to
Diva's
Diva's Realm. Cards,
Toys.
and Gospel,
And Gospel.
and
travel.
travel. Okay, take
Traveling
three.
din at home.
Take three.
Huh?
Mali. Take three. 1, 2, 3. Hi mga Karems. Sabayan mo ko. 1, 2, 3. Hi mga Karems and welcome to Diva's Realm. Cards,
Toys.
Gospel, and travel. At meron tayong 2 packs of pitch black na mau-open sa mga pagkakataong ito.
We're traveling in our house.
Wait, no, we just got home from our office month end fellowship at Antipolo Star. So check it out later sa ating YouTube page para sa ating travel vlog na walang edit, na raw. At dahil hindi pa pwede natin i-open or hindi pa tayo pwede mag-live sa ating Diva's Realm FB page, dito muna tayo sa ating main account para may mabuksan tayo. So, we'll have 2 packs only and we'll battle it out and see who's going to win this pack battle.
Are they gonna make it fast or make it slow? Or
No,
regular?
ano to, live na to pati na, so wala na tong short. Alright.
To my classmates, don't dare to call me black, okay?
Okay. So, Pitch Black, Pokemon Mega Evolution Pitch Black. 2 packs, only 2 packs. We only have 2 packs to open. Buti na lang nagkaroon. And Andre, will you do the honor to choose one? So, yun nga, galing kami kanina sa month end fellowship namin. And kakauwi na namin kanina. And we'll battle out. Daddy versus Andre.
Andre always wins. Look, I have Superman to protect me.
So, sana nakakuha kayo ng mga drops. Unfortunately, kami hindi. Ito lang, nakuha namin.
Illustration,
So, sabay tayo o isa-isa tayo? O you first siguro?
Ako muna.
O you first. Go.
Puro ako illustration, Blair.
Oo nga eh. So, ilan na ba na 6 packs na ba na-open natin? O 8 packs pa? 8 packs. So,
8 packs ito.
8 packs pa lang. Hindi, parang 8 packs. Pang 10 natin itong ma-open natin. And hopefully, lahat kayo ay naka-pre-order na. May mga balita na ang 30th anniversary ay they will print it to the ground. Katulad na nangyari sa 25th anniversary sa mga other products except for the UPC. I think yun din yung naging mahirap bilihin ng 25th anniversary ng Pokemon. And I think yun din yung magiging mahirap bilihin dahil dalawa siya. Dati isa lang UPC na nakukuha natin, but dalawa ngayon. And after this is Storm Emeralda. Alright.
We got
Garnivore. Oh, guess the energy. Again, darkness ako kasi gusto ko makuha yung Darkrai.
Water
because
we're both blue.
Nga no. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Uy, sakto. Si Garnivore is ay, wala na, nakita na.
Wait, halos yun. Ata,
Nakita na.
Illustration nila.
Hindi mo inayos. Wala na, nakita na natin. Uy, sabihin mo yung
Ay. Iron Bird.
Anong Iron Bird? Skarmory. Basahin mo.
Water dog. Dog water.
Dog water. Popilio. Popio.
Pop?
Skull fossil. Ayan. Vika, di kumain.
Airplane.
Vika Volt.
Carnivores.
Vika Volt, ano yun? Parang bago yun. Wala, nakita ko na eh. Pinakita mo kagad eh. So, wala So, talo ko. This,
ano talo?
Dahil previous opening namin, talo ko kasi puro illustration rare nakuha ni Andre and ako
No,
lang
no, no,
nakakuha
look what I got. Look what I
ng,
got. Look what I got.
ako yung nakakuha lang ng regular EX.
Look at this pack. Look. This is my hit. This is my hit, guys. This is my hit. There's no.
Oh, excuse me. Okay. Okay. Guess the energy? Again, ako, darkness kasi hinahanap natin si Darkrai. Ikaw.
Dark.
Okay, pares tayo. 3, 2, 1. Oh, ulit?
What kind
Okay.
of hope?
Oh. Type null? Ano yun? Okay. Type null. Mabostif, Electrite, Slowpoke,
Anipik.
Annihilate, Annihilep, Fossil
Quarry.
Quarry,
Seeking.
Seeking,
Crash.
Mabostif, and... Oh!
Oh, come on!
Oh! At ito pa yung nahulog kanina yung kinuha ko. Wow, Armarouge.
Wait, double hit.
Illustration. Double hit ba? Double hit. And, okay lang. Oh my gosh, nakabawi tayo, guys. Mga ka-realms. Nakabawi tayo kay Andre.
First time you finally won against
Ang
me.
ganda.
And by the way, this is just level easy. This is level easy.
Ganda, guys.
Guys,
Mga ka-realms,
I'm
ang
doing
ganda.
level easy on him. The last episode was level impossible. Now I give him level easy. Don't you dare
Grabe.
tell my luck is bad.
So, wow. Nakadali tayo ng isa, mga ka-realms. At syempre, kailangan natin lagay ng penny sleeve. And sa mga taong nagalit sa atin kasi ano ginagawa natin, baliktad daw tayo maglagay. Naubusan na kami ng perfect sleeve. Kaya, penny sleeve. So, normal way of ano lang tayo. Wow. Andre.
I was just doing level easy on you.
Yeah.
Level easy.
Yeah.
Next time you open, I won't go easy because you are
So, tingnan natin. Update tayo. Meron tayong master set binder ng pitch black. Unfortunately, we cannot master it. Nilagay na natin ng master binder pero I don't think that we can master the set.
6,
Kasi ang
7.
hirap din hanapin. So, tanggalin natin to.
Okay.
Yan. So, ito ang ating updated binder. Siyempre, hindi natin na malalagay yung mga ordinary. Wait lang, Andre. Siyempre, yan.
EX.
Wait, nakita ko na to eh. Wait, nakita ko na yan eh. Kunin ko na. Open mo lang. Kita ko na yan. Ayun. So, lagay natin dito yan.
They're the same.
Pero,
Grabin.
reverse hollow yan eh. Anyway, so, pang anong number to? 86. 86. Pakita na natin habang yan. So, ito nakita na first part. Dito.
Dapat
First
makita
part.
ito. EX kasi.
EX, yan yung nakuha ko. Yan. Ganyan. And to. So, binago natin yung binder natin kasi dati nilalagay lang natin yung reverse hollow. But now, pinag-iwalay natin para makita natin yung beauty ng bawat cards. So, yan.
What is it?
Reverse hollow yung isa.
They look the same.
Reverse hollow nga eh. Ayan, ito nakuha ni Andre.
What's
86.
better?
So, 88 to. 87, 86. So, dito papasok
Which do you
yung
think is
aking...
cooler? My hit or
So,
his hit?
ayan. Ito.
What's cooler?
Yan.
In your type, what's cooler?
So, ito pa. Nakuha ni Andre. Dalawa. Ikaw ba nakakuha nito? So, yan. And
Kung nakuha to sa kotse, nakuha din to sa
wala na.
kotse.
Mga extra na to.
Di
At
ba?
syempre, dahil bago ang mga artwork ng yan, nilalagay din natin yan. Kasi bagong artwork dati, puro Pikachu lang. So, that's it for our... Syempre, ipapasok pa namin to later. But yung hit, yun lang. Yun lang hit natin, no? Ilan ba hit natin? 1, bilang nga. 1.
Only have one EX.
Oo nga, no?
But
1,
that should be a good thing because we keep getting
2,
illustration.
3, 4, 5. 5 hits out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 packs. 5 hits out of 10 packs. So,
And there will mostly
50%.
illustration.
50%. Puro illustration rare pa. Yan, naliliwanagan kasi. So, yan yung hits na. Wait lang po Yan yung mga
Guys,
hits
what do you think is
namin.
cooler? My hit or daddy's?
So, 4 illustration rare and 1 regular EX. So, that's it for today. Mga ka-realms, this is Diva's Realm. Cards,
Toys.
Gospel, and Travel. Bye! Bye-bye,
Those
bye-bye.
fake pack I got. I mean, churu pack. Real pack.